Hello, this tutorial will show you how to use Skyeware V4 to explore some of the advanced features of the Mifare Desfire family of RFID tags. These tags feature an advanced TripleDES algorithm for authenticating to the tag, ensuring the tag data remains secure. In addition, these tags feature an advanced memory structure for organizing files and applications and built-in support for adding value files, which can be incremented and decremented for use in contactless payment and ticketing systems. To begin, place a DESFire tag in the reader's field. In addition to the readers and tags listed in the left-hand pane, there will be a list of applications as well as files. In DESFire, an application is like a directory in that files are stored inside of it. DESFire is unique in that its advanced file indexing system allows you to reference applications and files by number instead of by memory or block location. In addition, different security features can be applied to each application, allowing the programmer to set up access rights how he or she desires. Our tag has no applications or files, and so the first step is to create an application in which to store some files. To create an application, we'll first select the configuration and then the tag menu. This pane presents a list of options for creating an application. To create an application, we'll change the application number from 0 to 1, as 0 is the default application. We'll leave the rest of the settings as they are and click the Create button. You should now see application number 1 listed in the left-hand column. We can now add files to this application. Clicking the application item will allow us to add files to the application. We'll change the file number to 1, and then insert the number of bytes that we would like our file to be. For this example, I will use 16 bytes. There's also a list of options for types of data files that you would like to create, including standard data, backup, value, and linear and cyclical record files. For this example, I'll just use a standard data file. After clicking Create, you should see the file listed in the left-hand column under Files. To read or write to the file's memory, we'll select the file and then choose the Capabilities and Memory tab. You can see that our 16 bytes of data are stored on the tag's memory and are addressable in 8-byte blocks. We can read or write the tag's memory as we normally would. Inserting some data to write to the tag and then clicking Write will cause the data to be written to the tag's memory. We can verify that the data was written by clicking the Read button. Next, we will return to the Configuration Application menu to create a new file. This time we'll use file number 2 and select Value File from the drop-down. As we select value from the drop-down, the size limit will change, and instead we're presented with lower, upper limits as well as an initial value. I'll leave the lower limit at 0 and change the upper limit to 10, and give an initial value of 5. After clicking Create, we should see the file appear in the left-hand column. We can select this file by clicking on the file number, and then go back into the Capabilities Memory tab. Now we are presented with the Value File Memory tab. We can see that the initial value of 5 has been presented, and the screen allows us to credit and debit amounts from this value as we see fit. This concludes the Sky tutorial on getting started using Skyeware 4 with DESFire Tags.